G'day and welcome to the Owl Beak with Jenny Brandis. The owl pattern is number 5 in a series of 6 from the pattern a month number 9. The beak is formed as a leaf tally, although a triangle tally might also work well. The beak uses the weaver pair and right pair from the eye surround. In this case, they are brown. Lengthen the weaver bobbin and shorten the other 3. Lift the weaver bobbin over the centre bobbin, then under and around the right bobbin before going under the centre bobbin again. I am left-handed, so I tension on the left. You can do it on the right if that suits you. Repeat this process over and over again, remembering to widen the tension so that the beak goes wider. For a period of time, I switch to going around the outside threads twice, as that gives the edge a nicer, fuller look. At the 30% mark, start to straighten the edges. Then at the 60% mark, start to bring the edges inwards in preparation to ending the beak. You might find it useful to look at the video I made. If you need to leave part way through, lay the weaver bobbin across the 3 others. This is where I tried to use a see-through piece of plastic instead of the cover cloth. It was not working for me, so I switched back to the cover cloth. Keep on working the beak until it is longer than the marked area. It will shorten when we tension after pinning. Tie a simple knot with the weaver and an outside bobbin. Tie a simple knot with the other 2 bobbins. Lay the beak up over the eye area while you work the rose ground and foot sides to the rose ground where the beak will join. Work the top rose ground pin with cross twist. Bring the beak down, separate its pairs and add the pin in the rose ground. Tension the beak pairs until the beak lies flat. Bring in the rose ground pairs over the beak pairs to lock the beak in place with cross twist. Work the 2 rose ground side pins as usual in cross twist pin cross twist. Lengthen the bobbin thread on the beak, then lay them up out of the way. We will be sewing them back into the beak later. Work the rest of the rose ground and body of the owl.